Macabacus features powerful document generation capabilities, primarily enabled through our shared libraries. If a firm is a Macabacus customer, they may set up a shared library where all of our firm-approved content can be found, including model templates. So if I want to start working on a model, I can find our latest firm-approved templates here. Through our quick charts here, these are just several out-of-the-box charts that come installed with our software, including a stacked waterfall chart, which is a very advanced chart type. The really nice thing about our charting tools is that we leverage native Office functionality, so you're not going to run into any compatibility issues. Let's go ahead and move to the PowerPoint side, where it's very easy to create a new PowerPoint presentation that is brand compliant based off of our latest firm-approved template. I'm going to go ahead and insert a blank content layout or slide towards the end of the appendix. Now, if I'd like to export my chart or any of my exhibits or findings for my financial model, that's very easy to do. I'll just select this chart here, press Export to PowerPoint. And now a linked chart has now been exported to PowerPoint. This is very easy to refresh if the chart actually changes on the Excel side. The shared library is a shared repository of your firm's content. It's here where you can find different shapes, images, smart art, all the brand-compliant assets that your firm's administrators have loaded into the tool and made accessible to you. And this may include tombstones. So you can see here I have 8 tombstones. I've actually set filters here. I'm filtering for deals in certain sectors. It's very easy to then just select these tombstones and insert them into my presentation. Then I can select from several intuitive arrangement options that are already pre-configured for me. On the Microsoft Word side, if I would like to start a new Word document, it's that easy. I can just select our firm-approved letterhead that's been published to the library and use this as a starting point for a new Word document. We're going to take a look at our example document, which is published to our shared library here in Microsoft Word. This template was set up with Doc Builder. First, you can see that there's several fields set up. For example, second-party company name, we can just go with Company B. Entity, jurisdiction and type, North America. Keep language regarding IP rights on approved copies. It's really obvious what that language is. We can then select yes or no. You can also set up fields where you have a certain option to retain with regards to language, option A, B, and C. Let's just fill out the rest of these. And if I press Apply All Responses, the NDA will reflect what options we selected. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.